driving.
Kash is on that tractor that I had when I was a kid. Awesome. He'll be one.
He's ready. He's ready to ride.
Yep. Yep. Just had one.
You're silly. Hey.
No, it's. I mean, I don't know for sure. As far as I know.
What are you doing on that tractor? What's he doing?
The fact that it has Kim as the mother and the kid. Oh.
Do you think we can move the tractor?
Yep. Oh, yeah, make sure he's holding on to it first.
Make sure he doesn't fall, Katie.
Katie, could you make sure that this is straight? Oh, this is cute.
What are you doing? Kash! Kash! Hey! Hey!